Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video is another day of 31 days of Halloween. So if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So this is one of the videos that I missed when I was on vacation. It's for Unicorn Glam Squad, and each week we're doing a Halloween themed makeup look. And I picked out the themes, or no, we voted each at the beginning of the month what themes we want to do, and the first 4 or 5 votes that got the top votes, we put it in the list. So this week's theme was Vikings, or not this week, the week I was, at vacation. I didn't get to do it. Was Vikings, and this is what look I created. Let me know what you think. I loved how this turned out. I didn't do it like darkly like some of the ladies did that I saw inspiration from, but I did it like lightly on the face, the black, and just did black on my lids. So yeah, that is the theme. I will make sure to link everybody down below. They're at their channel, they're linked to their video, so you can go check them out, show them some love. As well, you can click that hashtag, which is hashtag unicornglamsquad, to see everybody as well. And this is going to be out not on the days we usually post. We usually post on Wednesdays, but since I was on vacation, I missed this one, so it's going to be posted maybe double content on one of the days that I'm doing another video, so it might be early in the morning or late at night, depends on what I decide to do and what y'all want to see. So please let me know in the comments if you want to see the next one, which will be for limited collab, if you want to see it in the morning or in the evening, whatever works for y'all's schedule. And I'm in Eastern Standard Time location. So let's talk about the makeup I used. So the makeup I used for the black all over my face and on my eyes, I used the Rude Cosmetics Anime palette. It looks like this, because I'm trying to use mostly like different palettes instead of using the same one. This one had the black in it, so I used it. I also used for my inner corner highlight under my brow bone and on my face this highlighting shade right here. It looks so pretty, so I decided to use it for my face today and my inner corner because I want a little bit of glow. So that's all I used. I will link this down below as well as everything else I talk about. They're just asked to get their links to get there. No food links or anything. If I do have food link, down below at the bottom with the code site, so you know. If you do use that link code, you get a small percentage off your order. I get a small commission, so I was out a lot. Also, I'll link my Amazon storefront for y'all, just in case y'all do want to pick up any makeup items from Amazon. That is an affiliate link. It'll be the top link in the description. So yeah, let's talk about the next thing. For the white on my face, I use the Wet n Wild face paint. I really love these. I think they're perfect for Halloween. I already hit pan on this because I had it for a while. I love seeing I hit pan, but I use this every year during October because it's a perfect item to use for face paint makeup looks. And you don't have to add water or anything, just take it out from the pan. And the last 2 items I use is the e.l.f. lash extension that I got from Influencer. I wanted to use it again, see what I thought of it. It's a really good one. The first time I used it, I really liked it. I love how it looked on my lashes, so I was really excited to use it again for this look. And then to set my face, to keep it, all set, I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I really recommend this stuff if you want to last all day. It makes your skin waterproof and makes it last really good, so I really recommend it. So how I did the eye look, I really just swiped it all over my eyes, blended it out a little bit, and then whatever was left on my brush, I did put it lightly to make it look like, it's worn out a little bit. Like I think Vikings usually use like mud or dirt or something on their face. I don't really know. And then I just looked up designs other people did on their face and did this type. I just did it the way I thought. So this came from inspired by a lot of ladies, but just my take on it. And on my lips, I was going to use brown, but I thought black would work good, so I just put black eyeshadow on my lips, because I don't really keep lip on long, so I decided to just use black eyeshadow instead of a black liquid lipstick. So that's all for the makeup items. Now let's talk about what I'm wearing today. Not really Viking related, but I'm still going to tell you what I'm wearing. So I just pinned my hair back because I was going to do braids, but I decided not to. But they usually put braids right here in the front and then wear something on their head, like some fuzzy item or like some kind of like Indians would wear, kind of, sort of. But I just pin it back and then pin my hair back with these brown clips. And then this shirt I'm wearing is just a green one. I was gonna wear a brown shirt, but I don't really have a lot of brown shirts. But I just wear this green shirt. It don't really go with the look, but that's what I'm wearing just in case you want to know. But if you we're going out with this look for Halloween, I recommend just look up inspiration for Viking outfits that they wear. I think they just wear like a lot of browns and blacks and it's like distressed items, you know. But just look up inspiration for y'all if y'all do go out with this for Halloween. But I love doing these makeup looks to give y'all inspiration on what makeup items or makeup looks or costumes to do this year if you go to Halloween parties or out with family or anything like that. I give you inspiration. And hopefully y'all do enjoy the makeup looks I do create. If you do recreate any of my looks, please tag me. I'd love to go check out, show it some love, and shout you out either in my Instagram story if it's on Instagram or my community tab over here on YouTube. And I think that's it for today. I think that's everything. One more video will be posted soon that I missed out. I only missed 2 videos during the week I was on vacation, so I'm really caught up after the next day. So you might get double content on one of the days or 2 of the days in October, but I will put the day it's supposed to be posted just in case you want to know. And then when it's in the playlist, you might be a little bit out of order, but that's okay. I don't really mind, just, you know what day it is. So, yeah. So if you got this far in the video and you're enjoying it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out a lot. And comment down below, let's say, I'll put comments right here, the emoji. But whatever things make you think of Vikings. It could be like an arrow, an axe, whatever emojis I'll find. I'll put up here in the, either here or here for y'all. So y'all can put it in the comments to be shout out. If you want to see a shout out in the previous video uploaded on my channel, which will be the last video before this day that I was supposed to be doing, and I will put the last video uploaded. Check out them. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. If they're a subscriber, find their comment down below and tell them you're thankful for their support for the Unicorn family. And if they're a YouTuber, go check out their channel and show them some love and tell them I sent you. They'll really appreciate it. This is a way for me to say thank you for the support and watching my videos in full. It does help out a lot. It does help out with watch time hours and, push my videos out there for other people that haven't watched me yet. So please, please, please do that. Watch me in full. And it really means a lot to me that you do. And yeah. So I forgot to mention, I will link the playlist down below for 31 Days of Halloween, just in case you want to catch up on the series. And let me know after you catch up on the series to come back here and tell me what day is your favorite so far. I'd love to know. Also, will be linked down below will be the playlist for YouTube collabs, for past of these collabs or any other collabs on my channel. You can check out that playlist, just catch up any YouTube collab that I do on my channel. That is the biggest playlist on my channel. So if you do want to help with watch time hours, you can just click that playlist and watch all the way through. That one has the most videos, or close to the most videos on there, so y'all know. And again, I will link the ladies down below, so make sure you go check out their Vikings looks and see what they did when it was posted. And hopefully you do go check out everybody and show them some love. And I'm sorry again that I was late, but as y'all know, I was on vacation. And I also forgot to mention, if you do want to see vlogs from my vacation, check out my vlog channel. It's linked down below. My vlog channel is called A Unicorn's Life, so you know, and it has a unicorn picture on it. But I'll have it linked down below for y'all, just in case y'all do want to watch vlog style videos or taste tests. Check out that channel. That's what it's made for. And hopefully y'all do like the content over there from the vacation. I really had a fun time filming it, and I really appreciate anybody that does go check me out over there and go subscribe to that channel. It's a little baby channel, but I really love doing vlogs over there when I can. I don't film a lot over there, but since I was on vacation, I decided to film over there again. So hopefully y'all do enjoy it. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my Vikings inspired makeup look for today. Let me know your thoughts on it, how I did, what you think I should do different if I do this again. All your information down below, and if you have any tips or tricks, please leave them, but don't be mean about it. If there's something that you think I should do better, just give me tips on what you think I should do next time if I ever do this look again, if we do get it next year for one of the themes, for another collab or this collab. I'd love to know, what y'all think. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our Unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.